But I won't stop now. Over 360 players from 28 schools spanning 6 countries and 4 continents played at the World Schools Netball Cup 2025 in the UK in June. And guess what? Guess what, man? Holmwood Technical High School was the winner of the Under-19 category. Let's hear it for the Holmwood!
Yeah.
I mean, what is Jamaica's story? Go over people them good place and take over them competition. Yeah. Coach, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, folks, let me tell you who we have here. We have Carleen Graham Powell, who's the coach for Holmwood. We've got Avaria Gail Harris, who's the manager. Manager, put up your hand. And assistant coach Andrea Reed Goodwin. And then from right to left, we have Shaquan Hamilton, who's the captain, Jada Ricketts, vice captain and MVP, Selena Collins, Tony Ann Flemings, Jodie Ann Flemings, Brianna Allen, Jada Henry, Savannah Henry, and Tassara Campbell. Morning to everybody.
Good morning.
Coach, this is a big deal.
Big deal.
First time that Jamaica has entered this competition.
Yes, first
Jamaica
time.
and South Africa, which I find to be interesting because we're netball countries.
Yes.
So how did it take so long to invite us?
I have no idea.
Anyway.
This is their 5th edition.
They're probably not going to invite us again. So tell me how we got involved. How did you get the team there? This was a big undertaking.
Okay, so I have no idea how they got to us, but they reached out to the principal and he reached out to us. Now, we had planned to go to Florida because we have been to Florida twice. But then when I heard about England and knowing that these girls are winners, because they have been winning. These girls have been winning
titles. That's what I hear about you then.
Right. So we decided that I wanted to see, what they would look like playing on that side of the world. So, we decided to go.
It's a huge opportunity for them.
Yes, absolutely.
Because don't you have the eyes of the world on them now watching
Definitely
to see
so.
who can get... Not that anybody's leaving us, but are there scouts and people looking on to see what could happen?
Well, I'm sure that is happening, but we have 5 of them who have already been given scholarship locally.
Fantastic.
Yes, that's something that we have been doing. So we have 5 of them who are...
So we had under 13, 15, 17, 19. We had a team in all the categories?
No, we entered the under 15 and the under 19.
All right. And how was it? How was it preparing? And when you watched them, you said you wanted to see how they play on that side of the world. How did they stack up? But clearly
so the under 15, they got as far as quarterfinals, but they could not get past, so they finished 6th. The under 19 team now, they dominated from start. But when we got to that final, Solihull, they were a tough team. Because we Solihull High School,
okay.
They were tough because we met them twice. And we only managed to get past them by 1 goal on both occasions.
Then now 1 goal, it takes...
Exactly.
It only takes one goal, Coach.
1 goal.
Fantastic.
It was enough.
Did you go there thinking they could take the title?
Yes, I did. Because as I said, this team is a winning team. The girls, they have won under 16 All-Island title, and they are twice under 19 champions here in Jamaica. So we're actually the top high school netball team here.
And also the top high school netball team in the world.
Exactly.
Give it up, yeah.
So I knew they had it in them to win. So it was no doubt. But when we were actually playing, and that final game when they had us down by 4, there was a little bit of doubt. But I've been there before because we have like 12 All-Island titles. So I've been there where you're on the edge. So exactly. So when they got back within a minute, they tied the game. When we got there, it felt like we could have done it. And when she made that final shot,
Who was that? Jada coming right over to you. Footy run that.
When she made that final shot, it was something.
The flag with you guys running, every hair upon my hand.
Yes, it was awesome.
That final moment. Did you ball?
Yeah.
You did ball?
Not really, but I had to take a moment
Is this the last shot?
Yes. No, not yet. It's coming. It's coming.
I want to watch it.
Yes, see? And we were tied then. Boom, and everybody started running. Yes,
my gosh!
Yes.
Oh my goodness. All right, Coach, I'm going to go over to the ladies. So I'm going to ask you to stand up right beside Miss Andrea. And let me go talk to the ladies. Hi, Captain. How was this experience for you?
The experience was lovely and we enjoyed ourselves.
London cool?
No, it wasn't.
Grey?
Still warm. It was warm.
No, so sunny. It was warm and sunny.
Yeah.
So you went at a good time. How does it feel to be able to win this title?
It felt awesome knowing that we went to England with a goal and we got it.
Yeah. Congrats, man. MVP in the building. Hi, Jada.
Hi, good morning.
Jada Ricketts was the MVP. That last goal. Tell me what was going through your mind.
Nothing.
Tell me foolishness, man. Something was going through your mind at the time.
No, I wasn't watching the time, but I was like, the team needed the shot, so I relaxed and I take it.
So when it leave your hands, did it feel like 10 seconds before it reached in the hoop?
Yes, miss.
Oh my gosh. So how do you feel? How do you feel as an MVP?
Well, I'm used to the feeling, but it feels great.
Fuck that tea! You're used to it.
It feels great.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
fantastic. Thank you very much, ma'am. Selena, what was the experience like for you? Well, you close your eyes like and want me
Cause me nervous.
I mean, no. Well, what was it like? Traveling with the team,
It was okay.
playing with the team, winning as a team.
It was okay.
Yeah.
It was fantastic.
What lessons you took away from this whole
A
experience? Give me one. Think of one.
lot. Yeah, I'm done.
Yes, man. Give me one. I'm not moving till you give me one.
I can do all things.
We can do all things.
Okay. Me tell you something, I'll move till you give me one. All right, reach down. Tony Ann and Jody are sisters. What was this experience like? Going with your sister must have been very cool.
Yes, miss.
Okay. How was it for you overall?
It was wonderful.
Best part?
When she took the last shot in 2 seconds.
Fantastic. Worst part?
When we were done by
When you're done, but you rally and come back.
Yes, miss.
And then having your sister there, Jody Ann, what was it like for you?
It was wonderful.
Yeah. You know, to win an honor like this is a big deal. What are your future aspirations as far as netball is concerned? What do you want to do with netball? It's a very simple question. You love it, right?
Yes, I
So
do.
when you look ahead to netball, what you feel like you want to do with it? You want to be like a national player?
Yes.
She's an
where
under
you're headed.
16 representative.
Yes?
She's an under 16.
Yes? Want to play for Jamaica?
Yes.
All right, simple thing. All right, Brianna. Look about your Talawa.
Yes.
How was it playing?
Oh, it was great. I had a wonderful experience.
Did you usually play before, like in the international meets? You went to Florida and so? with the
No,
team?
I didn't.
So this was your first
Yes,
overseas?
it was.
Wow. And to win felt like what?
Well, at first, I was very nervous because, traveling for the first time with the team, so you didn't know what to expect. But we came out and we succeeded.
Champion.
Yes.
Champion. Thank you, Brianna. Juliana, what was it like for you?
It was a very good experience. It was nice to see my team win.
And you are a winner too.
Yes.
So you have a medal?
Yes.
They gave you all medals.
Yes.
So every time you look at that medal, you realize there is no huge feat that you cannot defeat, right?
Yes.
Because you guys did such a big thing. And then Savannah, talk to me about your experience.
Yes, it was nice.
It was nice. What position do you play?
GK.
Okay, so you stand up underneath you was the one batting away the shots from Soleil.
That was Selena.
Selena play what?
GK.
was on the bench.
Oh, you was, okay. Fantastic. How does it feel being part of our winning team?
It's nice.
Excellent. All right, and then Tassara, no?
Bench too.
Tassara, how was it like going and being a part of your team?
It was okay.
You could not have been just okay. No little better than okay? You enjoyed yourself though?
Yes, I did.
Okay, that's what's important. We have the trophy over here, but let me come to Avaria first. Management had to pull together everything. Couldn't have been easy to get all these ladies to such a far place. We know it's expensive. What was it like putting it all together?
It was a lot of work. Was exhausting, but we had a goal in mind, and with coach at the helm, it all came together.
Yeah.
So we did well.
I see what you did there. We had a goal in mind.
Yes.
Wink, wink. And assistant coach, tell me about your experience.
Overall, it was a phenomenal experience. I know it was for the young ladies as well. Likewise, myself, it's not my first time traveling, but that side of the world, it was the first. And I was just happy the young ladies pulled together and we executed well and we came home victorious.
Man, there's something about the will and spirit of a Jamaican team in any sport.
Yes.
You know, whether we're up by 3 points or down by 3, we're gonna pour it out. These ladies poured it out until the very last second, which has to make this so fulfilling. It's like Does this feel like I don't know if there's a most important win, but does this one feel different for you, Coach?
Awesome. That feeling was just epic. I have never felt anything like that. It was really awesome. Awesome feeling.
What do you want to say to your ladies and your team here?
Well, these girls, as I said, we have been working hard. Holmwood Technical High School netball team has been around for a while. We have like 33 titles here, so we are accustomed to winning. But having gone on that side of the world and to test the waters, it was really awesome.
And the guts they
yes, and they have it. They do have it. They have been training a lot of morning training. So this is a culmination of a lot of hard work, and they deserve it. And I'm really happy for them.
And hey, Coach, I should pour it out now. Want to pour it out, Coach? Of course. All right, now for real. I know the team is good, but they clearly haven't met us, right? What is funny about what I just said? It's we against the world again. We want to show you guys, we want to give you guys a few pointers on shooting this morning.
Okay then.
Because we're just that good, right?
Ladder.
So, Miss, why is it so high?
It looked like it's higher than normal.
Doesn't it?
No, it's...
This higher than the regular one?
No.
This is the same size?
Yes.
Why it feel like it? Okay, great. You make me hype you up and then you flop me. You're not doing that. Come again. You were just practicing.
Full extension of the hand.
Oh, with your coach. Come, Jada. Give me
just
another
want to
pointer.
thank my family.
No, come. No, one goal cannot your family thank. Come here.
Why my family can't thank my family? Who's the shooter?
Who's the shooter? Why have you see Jada? Jada is a shooter.
She's goal attack.
You know what it was? The light was in your eye.
No, but that's go on.
Go on. One more. You see form?
Yeah, full extension, flicking the wrist.
Oh,
full Hold on, me a show up one.
Full extension.
No, me say me a show up one and she say yes.
Come, Nev, take it now. Full extension, right. Flicking the wrist.
Hold on, I rather that coach to talk to me. Tell me
Oh, good. That's why if you don't listen to me,
follow through. Just follow through. Make sure those fingers are pointing. Full extension of the hand.
I'm doing that deliberately, by the way. That one there too.
All right, we're still in training for
Okay, you'll get it. You'll get it.
Event.
Oh, that is your thing. Okay, I
see. Come from over here, so. That not bad. Come back from over here, son. Coach, your instructions are reaching. Everybody who's watching this morning must be so proud of Holmwood. Should be, especially if you're a Holmwood alum, but as a Jamaican, just to see what our team went to far foreign and did for us. So to give them a round of applause. Right. It is well done.
Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you and much success in your future endeavors as a winning team. We hope you can keep the momentum going. Coach, well done.
Thank you.
Assistant coach, well done.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Because sometimes we big up the team and we forget the
coach.
Right? Manager, well done. All right, up next. What's up next?
Me don't know.
Musical Elastic and Something to Smile.
By the way, hold on. Somebody can stay and work and play this game with us? Eh? Sure? Make sure, you know. All right. Only let me know the game and when the ball out, yes.
Because they're up for any challenge. As am I not. You know, I used to play netball at school?
Used to is a good word. Well done.
Go on again.